Alright guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Right here guys, you can see I have like $65 right here in my account right here, balance $65 and $65 right there. If I should come right here and then come right here to quarter the date, if I should just click on update, you can see right here I have like $65 in commission, over 200 clicks, the registration, and you can see everything right there is still intact. Let me just refresh this and you're gonna see that the balance is actually still intact right there. So you can see right there it's still intact, $65. For this month I have like 7 click already and 5 unique click already guys. So if you want to know how I make this money guys, just stick with me to the end of this video and I'm going to be showing you how. If you are new to the channel, my name is Akwale and I make videos on how you can basically make money online, affiliate marketing, freelancing and other making money tips that can basically help you guys right there. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel right here. You can see the red subscription button right here. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on this bell notification icon so that YouTube is going to notify you whenever I drop an awesome video like this guys. Don't forget to like, and if you have any comments, just make sure you drop a comment down in the description below guys. So let's just dive right into the video. Alright guys, so now this platform right here is Fiverr affiliate. If you don't know what Fiverr affiliate simply means, Fiverr affiliate simply means you're referring buyers to Fiverr. So whenever they make any purchase, Fiverr is going to give you a percentage of what they actually pay. All right, so they have several plans. They have the CPA, they have the hybrid. All right, I'm going to be showing you everything step by step, and I'm going to be showing you their commission structure for each of the affiliate link you actually select to promote their affiliate product or affiliate platform. So right here, if I should come right here to marketing tool, and I should come right here to the default and deep links. So let me come right here to default and deep links right there. So the one I basically use is this Fiverr CPA model. All right, that's the one I basically use. You can see that they have Fiverr CPA, Fiverr hybrid, Fiverr learn, Fiverr business, Fiverr sub affiliate. That is, you as an affiliate, you can also have some sub affiliate under you. All right, so if you want to get your link for sub affiliate, just very quick, this is it right here. Once you sign up, I'm going to be showing you how you can basically sign up. Once you sign up in your account, so you're going to have the option right here, so you can see sub affiliate. So you're going to get the link for people to sign up as an affiliate on Fiverr. So if you want to sign up at the end of this video, I'm going to drop this my own sub affiliate link down in the description of the channel. So if you want to start your own affiliate, Fiverr affiliate, so you can use the link to sign up, and thank you very much for using my link. But if you are not interested, you can just go directly to fiverraffiliates.com. So it's going to take you to the platform and then register and start promoting. All right guys, so let me just show you the commission structure for the CPA that I basically use. So I'm just going to come right here and then open this in a new tab. All right, so this is the affiliate platform. Okay, so now you can see the commission plan. So let me just scroll down. So scroll down, you can see the Fiverr CPA and Fiverr average. So let me just scroll down and show you the real deal. So this is the Fiverr CPA commission right there. Now what you have to put in mind is that each category in Fiverr will pay you several commission. All right, it depends on the category that the client or the buyer actually purchase or buy service from. That is what Fiverr is going to use to pay you. Okay, so you can see if anybody you refer to Fiverr purchase any plan or any service from a Fiverr pro seller, so Fiverr is going to commission you $150. All right, so if you should refer someone to Fiverr and the person purchase from this category, graphic design, most especially industrial and product design, data science, mobile app, and e-commerce and development, you're gonna get paid for that. All right, so you're gonna get paid $50 for that, and it goes on and on. You see, $40 on and on and on and on. All other categories on Fiverr, you're gonna get paid $15. That is how it basically works. All right, so anyone you're interested in, if it is the hybrid you want to go for, all right, you can see their commission structure right here. So I won't be going through everything. Once you sign up, I'm going to be showing you how you can basically sign up so you can check the commission structure yourself and know the one that actually suits you. All right, so now this is the Fiverr platform, the affiliate platform right here. So if you want to sign up, so you can sign up, as I said earlier, I'm going to drop a link down in the description. But if you don't want to use my link, you can just go to Fiverr affiliate platform directly and come right here. So once you get to this platform right here, this is the Fiverr platform I think, yeah, sorry, the commission stuff right here. So just come right here to join. You can see join right here. Just click on join. All right, so once you click on join right there, it's gonna bring this form for you. It's very easy, straightforward. Just follow the process and you are completely done right there. So you can see sign up, first name, last name, email address, your username. Don't worry, you don't have to select if you are from UK, all those bytecode, just put Nigeria. So if you are from Nigeria, put Nigeria. If you're from other country, put your country name right there, and make sure you put your Skype. All right, just make sure you open a Skype account and put your Skype right there. And once you input all those, for example, do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a YouTube channel, if you have a website, if you don't have, you can just search for some random website online and put it there. That they're not going to stop you. All right, now here that says account type, make sure you select private. All right, if you're an individual like me, just to select private. But if you're a company, all right, if you can select a company right there. All right, so once you're done, just click on next and you are completely done. So once your account is created, this is what your dashboard or your account is going to look like. All right, so you can see everything: marketing tools, reports, payment, any report, pixels, commission plan, and everything right there. So once you are done with your account, all your analysis right is going to be zero, since you are just starting to promote the platform. So marketing tools right there, so you can see all your marketing tools right there. So the one I majorly use, as I've said, is the default and deep link. You can see others right. If you have a website and you want to paste any code on your website, you can see the gig ads widget right there. You can see the search board widget. So I basically use the default and deep links, which is this one. So I just copy this one right there. So now let's go down to how you can basically promote your link. All right, there are several ways you can promote it. If you have a website, you can promote your link on your website, on your YouTube channel, or Facebook. Most especially I use Facebook, and other method which I'm going to be revealing at the end of this video if you stick with me to the end. So now let me show you how I basically use promote this link on Facebook. All right, so let me just go to Facebook. Now I was just scrolling through my Facebook feed this morning and I saw this community, this Square helping community, because now one of the way you can promote is actually joining groups, right? But not just joining any kind of group. Okay, so one of the group I do join is majorly help group. And when I say help group simply means, for example, some platforms like Squarespace, platform like Wix, you know, those kind of platform companies, US companies. So what you're gonna do is that most of them do have help group on Facebook. So what I just do, I will just come right here and search for, let's say, Wix help, something like that. You can see Wix help and complain, Wix help center. So all these kind of group are one group that potential clients are basically there. All right, I do get I do get some job, not most anyway, some of them. All right, but what I'm trying to say is that they are very, very helpful, because you're going to meet people that are looking for what you can actually offer them. All right, and you make money for yourself. All right, so you can see Wix help group right there, so you can just click on it, search for a lot of them. All right, so for example, this one's right here, so I'm going to be showing you how I basically promote it. So now, for example, this guy right here said, I have a Squarespace site and need to transfer or migrate the design to another Squarespace website. How can I transfer the design from one Squarespace to another? I don't actually think that is possible. But now let me see the comment that people actually have here. You can see this one said, you can't migrate it, but you can duplicate it, of course. Anyone else? So this one said, you need to recreate it. If you want to recreate it, I can help you. So the person was like, I need migrate, not recreate. Okay, it is not possible. Of course, it's not possible. So I'm just going to drop a comment and see I'm going to promote you. So, but before that, I'm just going to go to Fiverr and look for someone that is very, very good in Squarespace. So I'll just come down, scroll down. There was actually one guy I cited. Let me check it. All right, this guy right there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to copy this guy's URL or link, is gig URL, copy it, then go back to my Fiverr account. So come right here to deep link. Once I come right to deep link, so I said I'm using this CPS, so I'm just going to come to URLs. I'm just going to paste the link right here and then click on enter. So once I click on enter, you can see right here that the link actually changed. So I'm just going to copy it. Okay, so once I copied it, I'm just going to go to my bit.ly account and shorten the link. So I'm just going to bit.ly account and shorten the link. All right, so once you log into your bit.ly account, just come right here to create and then paste the link right here and then click on create. So bit.ly is going to shorten the link for you. So copy it, then go back to your Facebook, and then you come up with something you can basically, okay, what can I tell this guy? So now what I'm going to just do is that I'm just going to say, okay, I'm just going to reply and say, okay, I don't because I don't think you can basically just migrate another Squarespace website like that. You have to go and recreate it. I think that's the way. But I'm just gonna be like, I don't think you can migrate it migrate it to another Squarespace site. But if it is possible, you can ask this guy out on Fiverr. I use him most of the time. Maybe there is actually a solution to it. So I'm just gonna paste the link. All right, so I'll be like, I don't think so. Let me just clear some Fiverr. Okay, I think that's a solution. Okay, so I'll be like, I don't think you can migrate it to another Squarespace site, but if it is possible, you can ask this guy on Fiverr. I use it most of the time. Maybe there is actually a solution to it. So then click on, then I'll send something to him right there. So now it is actually to waiting. It can go. So once you purchase like that, then you're gonna get paid. Fiverr is gonna commission you. All right, so I'm gonna get paid if this guy should buy from this particular person. All right, so that is how I did it. You can, if I should come here to notification, you can say I have a lot of notification for some people, from some people you see on Brick24 community. So I replied, so they returned the reply, you know. So that is basically how I am promoting it on Facebook. And the method I promise you, which is guarantee method, is the second method, which I will be showing you now. So don't forget, so you can come right here, search for help group on YouTube, on Facebook. We have a lot of help group right there. You can see Wix help group right there. So you're gonna meet a lot of people in the group that are looking for people that can basically help them. This guy right here is actually one of my guys, so he's actually there. So even me, I haven't even joined the group right there. So because I have other groups too that I join. So there are many you can join. So just join them, join anyone you want to join. I'm just gonna use my page. So you join them, look for people commenting. You can get in touch with them. You can just come up with some kind of ideas that can basically help the link, right? So that is how. So the second method, which I'm going to be showing you, is, for example, we're going to be using Fiverr for the second method, all right? And the method is that you're going to be messaging virtual assistants, all right? So you can just come right here to Fiverr and message virtual assistants. So right here, so just click on that. So now, once you come right here to Fiverr and search for virtual assistants, now what you're going to be doing, that you're going to be telling them that, okay, you want to verify a Fiverr link, all right? That is basically, so I'll just see everything now. I don't have it in my written. I can't remember where I saved or the way I drafted it. If I find it out, so I'm just going to write it down in the description, but I'm not actually guaranteeing you that. But if I eventually found it after the whole process of this video, I'm just going to drop it down in the description of the this video so you can check it out. But let me just say everything now. So what I did was that I'll just contact them. I'll tell them, okay, fine, I want to verify a particular Fiverr link. So you make sure you tell them that you are not doing any review, because most of them will think that you are doing review. So you tell them that you want to verify a Fiverr link. Okay, and the link that you're going to be verifying is your own affiliate link. All right, is your own affiliate link, which is this one's right there. So this is the one you're going to be sending to them. All right, so now you're not going to be sending directly to them. Okay, you can go ahead and create a link tree or a document. So you send the document to them, or the links of the link tree, so they click from that link. All right, so don't go ahead and send this to them directly. Okay, so once you do that and then you send it to them, so you tell them to create a new Fiverr account with the link. You get the point? So once they create a new Fiverr account with the link, then you tell them the category they should purchase from. have it in mind that it is not all category that will pay you the same way. All right, so you make sure you tell them to purchase from graphic design and industrial and product design, or else you're going to be getting other commission. All right, it's either they purchase from graphic design, then industrial and product design, data science, mobile app, e-commerce development. All right, either of this category. Now, how do you go about the money? Now what I did was that I make sure I'll be like, okay, I need you to do this for me. So once they create the account, then I ask them if they have a PayPal account. All right, so once they say they have a PayPal account, then I'll find a way of telling them that, okay, I'm going to be sending you so amount. Most of the time I send them $10, $15 most of the time. So at least if you should agree on $15 or $10 or $12 or $13, all right, but I don't go higher than $15. So I send them $15 most of the time. So once I send them $15, I will tell them to purchase a $5 gig. So Fiverr is going to charge them for the service charge, which is $2.28. So altogether that they're going to be purchasing is actually $7.28. All right, so that's how much they're going to be purchasing a $5 gig on Fiverr with the service charge. So the remaining of the $10 or $15 is their own profit. You get the gist, right? So that is what I did, and I make some cool extra cash with it. All right, so once they purchase it, all right, so you're gonna get the commission. Okay, you're gonna get the commission $50, and make sure you tell them that they should purchase from this category. Okay, so if you should understand what I just said right now, you can make a whole lot of money with it. All right, so I've not even started promoting it this month. All right, so I'm still going to be updating you guys on it. So I'm going to be dropping the link, everything down in the description. So about the description that I just explained now, if I find it out, I'm going to put it down, or I should create another one for you guys. All right, so if you want to so about the Facebook right there, make sure you look for Facebook help group. So it's really you're going to receive something, so make sure you stick with it. And also, if you can go for the virtual assistant also, it is not only virtual assistant you can message as many people as possible. Most especially virtual assistant actually responds very fast. Okay, it responds very fast. All right, so but if you are new to Fiverr affiliates, okay, so you can just watch the video again. If you don't really understand, just watch the video again, and you can always get in touch with me. All right, so if you know you have any question, just drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you. So thank you guys. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and please if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment section and I'll take my time to respond to you. So till next time guys, peace guys.